Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language classes that we offer. This week in one of my online classes we were discussing different features in a landscape, and we were talking about mountain ridges and bays and coves and glaciers and this kind of thing. And students started discussing the most remarkable landscapes that they'd been to. And some people were talking about going into the Sahara Desert or visiting tropical rainforest when they were in Sri Lanka. One student talked about the first time she visited Cappadocia in Turkey and how remarkable she found it. For those of you that have never been to Cappadocia, it's an incredibly strange place. It's like a kind of moonscape with all these tall pillars made from sandstone or something similar, which have been worn away over time, and so they look very peculiar. And she drove through this landscape to get to her hotel, and the hotel was carved into the side of a mountain, which was particularly strange on top of everything else you'd experienced. And my student said it was, without a shadow of a doubt, the most beautiful place I've ever been to. If you say that something is true without a shadow of a doubt, or that you know something without a shadow of a doubt, you mean 100% certainly, absolutely, definitely, for sure. So maybe somebody steals your bicycle and you say, I know without a shadow of a doubt who did it. I'm absolutely certain that I know who did it. If you have liked this video, make sure you click the like button below, share it with your friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you think you might use without a shadow of a doubt.